How to fix OTP problem in Roposo app. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you, or I'm gonna fix your problem that is not receiving your OTP on your device for Roposo app. So this is an application that we can upload photos and watch videos, short videos. So if you wanna get your OTP and if you're facing some problem for OTP not receiving, this video will be absolutely for you. So guys, before starting the videos, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So first point is you have to go to your Play Store and then you have to check whether your application is asking for an update or not. So if they are asking for an update, you have to update the Roposo app. So that was the first step, and then you can again try it out if the solution works or not. So guys, if the problem doesn't work, then what you have to do, make sure that your internet connection is perfectly on. So you have to on your internet connection, and then you have to check your data, there is availabilities of data or not. So you have to check your internet connection and you have to try again, and then you can try and your problem will be solved in this way. So that was the second tips that I have given you. And the third tips, what is that, you have to go to your phone settings here. The third tip is something amazing. You have to go to your phone settings, and then you have to go to app management, and then you have to go to manage apps here. So now here what you have to do, you have to just simply search for message here. So let me just go for message, your phone message. Okay, so let me just go to message, and then here what you have to do, you have to simply click on storage usage, and then you have to clear all the data and also the cache. So after doing this, you can see here force stop button, so you have to stop the force here. Now after doing this, you can see here the permission button, you have to simply tap on the permission button, and then you have to allow all the permission here, as I have already allowed it. So after doing this, you can just go and try it out if it works or not. So I'm 110% sure this will help you out. So if this problem also doesn't, if this solution also doesn't work for you, then there is another one thing what you can do here is that you have to go to settings, you have to go to app management and app list, and then you have to just simply search for Roposo, and then you can go here, just go to force stop button, and then you have to stop the force here. Now after stopping the force, let me just show you. After stopping the force, click on storage, and then you have to clear all the data here. So after doing this, just click on permission button, and then you have to allow all the permission here, as I'm allowing, you can see here. So you have to allow all the permission here. So let me just allow the permission. Okay, so after allowing the permission, you can just go and check whether it is working or not. So after doing this, I'm sure, yeah, this solution will help you out. And guys, that was the fourth thing that I have shown you. And guys, the last thing which I'm going to tell you is about, like, if your phone number is not recharged, then what you have to do, I am saying you that you have to recharge your phone number. You have to recharge your number, and then you can try it out. Sometimes if you don't recharge your number, then message don't receive in your number. So after doing all these things, let us go back and let me just try out doing here. Let me just try out 579. So this is my alternative number. So let me just click on send OTP, and then let's wait and check it out. You can see here automatically my account has been created. You can see here I got the OTP. So this is very pretty cool, and no need to worry. It's your problem will be solved in this way. Thanks for watching. See you soon on the next video. Please hit the subscribe button for me.